Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Iqbal Digital YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about e-commerce SEO. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search e-commerce SEO. When you search e-commerce SEO, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website e-commerce SEO to Definitive Guide 2023. When you click this website, the page will be opened of the definition of SEO. Why SEO matter from e-commerce website. 44% of people start their online shopping journey with a Google search. 37.5% of all the traffic to e-commerce site come from Google engine. 23.6% of e-commerce orders are directly third for organic traffic. With that, let's dive into our actionable strategies in today's guide. Content Chapter 1, E-commerce Keyword Research. How to find keywords for e-commerce product and category pages. Most keyword research tutorials focus on informational keywords. These are keywords of the people type in search engine is discovered helpful. How to content. While information keywords have their place in e-commerce, the majority of your site keywords will be traded around to the product search. That means that you need to tackle keywords and research with product focus on keyword in mind. Here are exactly how to do it. Amazon suggestion. Yes, Amazon is a probably your competitor, but it is also our biggest e-commerce site online, which make it product keyword all the time. Here I have shown the tab on to Amazon and keyword research. First, here are over to Amazon to enter keyword that describe one of your product. When you do, and Amazon will list its suggestion around to the keyword. The keyword Amazon suggested tend to very targeted as long as long tail keyword. Not only to long as their keyword tend to convert better than shorter and terms, but you have to usually less competitive. Dryness of the repeat and most important product on your site. Keyword tool Diamondator. This tool makes finding long tail keywords for Amazon suggested significantly faster, but with many experience. It given a more keyword ideas to, for example, when I used a keyword organic dog food, Amazon suggests gave me 8 keyword ideas to food speed and over out of 79. Before you leave Amazon, it's time to use a more feature to your site. That's a golden mind category page keyword. Amazon and competitor categories. As someone you have to consult in a dozens and e-commerce business, I can tell you Forested and lots of numerous sites owner optimization their category pages around to the random keywords. Sure that you will be have to sum throughout all their customers and might to find product in this category, but the keywords they have to use to tend to be and let's go to say that ideals and they have to use mistake with categories pages may not be converted as well as product pages. They still generated sales, so it may went to senses in the spend time with finding keyword for your category pages. And at the best way to that is look at the categories your competitor already uses. If you have to compete against Amazon, click all of the button at the top of the homepage. This will be listed Amazon main categories. These are properly to board of your site, and so click on the make senses to your cart and you have to department subcategories. Now we are talking, you can also hit of your full store dictionary under the all menu. This will show all the Amazon departments, subcategories and additional pages. Now you time of the dig deep and throughout the list of categories focused keyword that match your site sell. For example, let's you site and healthy dog food. You will be do pet supplies categories. Then you click on the dogs and chooses for the listed. Then Amazon will be have to show keyword that you use to describe your dog feed related categories in the sidebar. Amazon is the great resources for finding categories page keyword, but you have to form of only place to find the categories page keyword. You have to customer research for every day. That's why I also recommended taking look after keyword for your industry competitors and describe their categories. So if your e-commerce site sell high and headphones, you don't want to head to. At the just like you have to read this Amazon, look at the terms that optimize their categories pages around and Wikipedia. Wikipedia is one of the best places that the keyword product and categories pages. Just like with categories page, your e-commerce competitor sites, Wikipedia organize and things that your keyword and other words, you have to done by a verb